In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome background into a moving or GIF background. This is a fun way to personalize your browsing experience and make your Chrome a bit more lively. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. If you're not sure how to do that, simply click on the little plus sign at the top of your browser window. Once you have the new tab open, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the page. You'll see a little pencil icon along with the words Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a menu will pop up with several customization options. What we're interested in here is the option labeled Change Theme, so go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to change the look and feel of your browser. Once you've clicked Change Theme, you will be presented with a bunch of preset themes created by Chrome, but what we want is our own custom moving background or GIF. To do this, look for the Upload an Image option. With this option, you can choose any image file from your computer to use as your Chrome background. To select your GIF, click on Upload an Image, which will open your File Explorer, and from here, navigate through your files until you find the GIF you want to use. Make sure you've got a GIF file ready and saved on your computer beforehand. Once you find it, select the file, and then click Open or Choose on your file browser. You'll see your background change immediately to your selected GIF. This option is fantastic because it lets you bring a bit of personal flair to your internet surfing. A quick tip: make sure your GIF is not too large, otherwise it might slow down your browser or not work as smoothly. If you find your browser lagging, you might want to try a smaller file or a less animated GIF. Furthermore, keep in mind that animated backgrounds can be distracting, so choose one that you enjoy but isn't overly busy visually. And there you have it. You've now successfully customized your Google Chrome with a moving or GIF background. This is a great way to make your browser experience more fun and unique to you. Enjoy your personalized browsing interface, and feel free to switch it up whenever you feel like a change. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.